morning, Chef. Good morning, Andrew. We came for the final presentation of strategic marketing. We have done a project based on a sewing machine, and the name of our project will be the Insta Sewing Machine. I'm introducing myself. I'm Manoj, and this is Jackie, and that is Rita, and that is Sandra. Jackie is going to start our introduction part, and I will be continuing the basic model. And Rita will be saying about the marketing and sales thing, and Avril will be summarizing everything else, and will say about the financial projections of it. Jackie, thank you.
Just go on.
By planning opportunity, a person's judged by their clothes. It was said somewhat badly. According to recent survey of Fashion Week, 55% of people are wearing ill-fitting clothes. The best-fitting clothes are customized. It takes 2 weeks to customize an outfit with a tailor, so we need to find two solutions. Solution: instant sewing machine. Using a laser light is going to whole body and install it. Then gives the outfit in 7 to 10 minutes. People can try variety of dresses, and we want the CAD CAM system. Try countless time outfit before outfit.
Good.
And this will be our basic layout of the instant sewing machine. There are mainly the 3 parts inside this one. This will be the scanning part, then this will be the previewing part, and this will be the stitching part. In the first part, we are using the laser light to scan our whole body to fit what is the best fit of our dress. And in the second model of previewing, we are using a CAD CAM software to show us a preview what it is going to fit for your dress. And third part is of stitching. We are using the technology of automatic sewing machine like something to stitch that. Business model is we are not going to fight for the patterns like Apple or Samsung or something. We are having the whole pattern for this thing. And other thing is the strategy which we are going to use here is not we are going to produce and just sell to the companies or something. We are going to produce and rent it for the purpose of high-end showrooms or sports club or something. And minimum lease period of it will be for 4 months, and maximum will be of 2 years. We are going to rent it for $5,000 for high-end showrooms for a month. The technology which you are going to use in this one is a robotic laser technology and motion capture. In robotic laser technology is thing which is used to scan our whole body with the help of the CO2 lasers, because it has a thing of a divergence property. And in the motion capturing is used to preview the whole breast fit, which is fit for our body. And sew on demand model is something we are going to fill the gap between the stitching time and the cloths. And the customer database is in which you are going to have the whole data of the customer which they have already used that machine. Thank you. Next, Rita will be continuing.
Next is marketing and sales as a 4 P's. Marketing mix is a choice of the product. Choice of an organization of product and services to the market. Okay, that is marketing or the marketing mix help us to introduce a product to the market. That is our product help us to save time. It takes only less time than the it is purely software oriented and automatic. Promotion, promotion can be done through social networking sites and through YouTube. Branding can be done with celebrities like Lady Gaga and Tom Cruise. place. We are giving this product as a rental basis, so not introducing this product to the market. So we are giving this product to big textile industries like Levi's, all those big industries. We provide this product at an affordable rate. That is $50 for stitching and $20 for designing. Competition. As this is a new product, we doesn't have any competitor. So we will be the leader until there is a tough competition. Teamwork. There are 4 members. There's 4 leaders to introduce this product into the market. They are Manoj is the head of research and development. Jackie is the head of procurement and design. Agar, head of operations and management. And Rita, head of sales and marketing. And next part will be followed by Agar.
Good morning, Chad. Good morning, Andrew. Now, I come to the funny, as my friend told you before, the machine is like for the scanning and scanning of like body and just making the outfit, because in the we have a very tough life. We work for money and everything. We cannot have time for like go and stitch the clothes. So this is our product. Our financial projection is initial setup cost needs about $2 million. Breakdown of the cost will be obtained after 4 years. As in the break even of the company we'll be having our company break even at 4 years. After 4 years, in 2012 the profit will be about 4 million. This is the profit which I'm talking about is first year of manufacturing of the machine. The profit which comes out is like 4.4 million. Profit expected to increase about 25% from second year. We'll be taking out like profit of about 25% from the second year. So by 2016 profit will cross about 2 million. Like we have to break even and we will get the profit of about this much. As my friends and my directors told you that the revenue is this is the financial projection. The revenue, we'll be renting the machine. We will not be selling the machines, because we want that we'll be the sole owner of this machine. We have innovated this machine, so we cannot give this formula to any other as in manufacturing company or something like that. So we'll rent this company about $5,000 per month of about 12 months is the minimum actually the minimum months of the rental. And if we sell, this is our if we actually rent 10 units, we'll get about $60,000 per year. So the cost of the machine is like $2.25 thousand. Fixed cost is about $1.25, and the production cost of the machine is about $50,000. And the salary, as in the miscellaneous expenses and salaries, is about $75,000. So the variable cost is about 20% of the revenue. Is like $1 lakh. It's like a variable cost is 20%. The net profit is equal to revenue minus cost is like $6 lakhs minus $1 lakh $25, and the fixed cost is also minus from this. We'll get about $3.75 thousand. As you see the chart, the initial cost in 2013 is like about $2 million, and the cumulative profit is about 3.75 or 4. It's like so. It's a cumulative profit, and from the next year, because initial cost is like put one time. So in 2014, the cumulative profit about $5 million, $5 lakh, and the next year 2015 is about like $12 lakh, and 2016 we get about $22 $22 million. Fine. And 2017 will just break it. The breaking is, as you can see, the breaking is done at 2016, and 2017 will get a good profit out of it. So, summary and goal. It creates a revolution in fashion industry. Is your if we rent the machines, we'll get a good as we are the sole owner of the machine, and we'll be producing it first time. There are no there are no competitors, so we think that we'll get a good output out of this. And the proposal for you people is business profit of 5,000 per year, increasing by 25% per year. As I told before that we are the sole owners of this machine. We require initial investment of about 3 million for the research and development and manufacturing of the machine. And we offer you as if you just give us 1 million for the investment, you can have 35% stake, and after that we can sit and talk about the business model. Thank you very much.
Good. Okay, good. Thank you very much.